Click on the link below to get price. The Gartengerätehaus Anthracite is a compact outdoor storage shed that stands at a size of 88 by 88 by 161 centimeters, designed primarily for those who need a reliable and stylish solution for their gardening tools and outdoor essentials. Made from galvanized steel, this shed combines durability with a sleek anthracite finish, ensuring it not only serves its purpose but also complements any outdoor space seamlessly. One of the standout features of this storage shed is its robust construction. The galvanized steel offers excellent resistance against rust and corrosion, making it ideal for outdoor use in various weather conditions. This ensures that your stored items remain protected from the elements, giving you peace of mind whether it's rain or shine. The design is thoughtfully crafted to maximize space while maintaining an unobtrusive profile. The 88 cm width and depth provide enough room for essential gardening tools, such as rakes, shovels, and pots, without taking up too much space in your yard. Additionally, the height of 161 cm allows for vertical storage, enabling you to organize your items efficiently. Assembly was straightforward, aided by clear instructions and all necessary parts included. It took me about an hour to set up, which is reasonable for a shed of this size. Once assembled, the shed feels sturdy and secure. The sliding doors open smoothly, providing easy access to your tools, even in tight spaces. Although the shed is compact, it does come with a few limitations. The interior space may not be sufficient for larger equipment, such as lawnmowers or bicycles. However, for average gardeners or individuals with limited outdoor storage needs, it is perfectly adequate. In conclusion, the Gartengerätehaus Anthracite is a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution for outdoor storage. Its durable construction, ease of assembly, and efficient use of space make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to keep their gardening tools organized and protected.